enjoyed filming that course. It was so much fun. The only downside to the whole thing was What's up, fellow coders? Welcome to my channel. I am so happy to see you, and I'm really excited to share about the Intro to Algorithms course that I did that is now viewable on Free Code Camp's YouTube channel. In that course, there are 5 basic algorithms that are covered that every programmer should know. Simple recursion, algorithms within data structures, greedy algorithms, divide and conquer, and dynamic programming. All taught in a way that is hopefully engaging, easy to understand, and implement. With just over 2 hours of packed information, it's a definite code-along program that will help you really get those points nailed down. I mean, how can you not run over there and give it a watch? Like, right now. But wait, don't leave yet. Give me just a few more minutes and then go run over there if you haven't already. So yeah, I really enjoyed filming that course. It was so much fun. Oh, the memories. The only downside to the whole thing was getting poison ivy in my eye about midway through filming, and it was to the point that my eye was completely swollen shut. So I had to go on steroids, big, powerful steroids that nearly turned me into a man. Kidding. But yeah, those drugs really cleared it up and quick. However, this is why I look puffy and somewhat out of it in some clips throughout the video. I didn't realize prior to filming the course how nervous I was going to be that something might happen, like if I got sick, or if I just couldn't keep filming somehow, or if my face got worse. I guess we're all lucky that the steroids worked and I didn't have to film half the course in a mask or a Snapchat filter. But anywho, yeah, go over and give it some love. And if you're here because you saw the course, then welcome. Glad to have you. Feel free to check out my other videos and of course, hit that subscribe button. So today will be a short vid, very short, on a Leetcode problem rated easy. It's number 58 where we are finding the length of the last word in a string, and I thought it would be a good idea to just go ahead and code it together. It says it's easy, right? Well, grab a beverage, split that screen so you can watch me and code along, and let's hit it. Hey there! If you made it this far and enjoy what you're seeing, why not subscribe? I upload fresh content all the time. Thanks for watching. All right, are you ready? Oh, okay, all right, let's put my hair back. Let's get to work. It's just easy. It shouldn't be too bad, right? I will say I normally never, well, I shouldn't say never, but rarely pass on the first try. So we're gonna do this together here, okay? Let's hold each other. Hold on to yourself. I'll hold on to myself. Let's see here. We have length of last word. This is number 58. Length of last word. We're given a string that has words and spaces. And so, for example, here on this example 2, fly me to the moon with spaces, we can't include those. So the answer has to be 4 for moon, right? And let's see, the constraints, only letters and spaces. Okay. I did look at this question. Immediately I thought, are we going to have to use the alpha module or library or something? But let's think about this. We have a string. We're going to want to turn it into a list or split it. So let's create a variable. I'm just going to call it y. Y equals, let's split s. And then once we split it, we're going to need, once it'll turn it into a list, then we just need to find the length of the last one, right? So Let's create another variable. Let's do z, right? So z equals len of y and the last word, right? And then all we just need to do is return z. Probably could even reduce this into one line, but let's see how this goes. I probably gotta back that up. Let's back it up. Back it up. Okay, let's run our code. See what happens. Oh, okay. Don't back it up. My bad. My bad. Let's run it again. Wrong answer. What are you talking about? You're gonna get me this. Wrong answer. We turned it into a list. Oh wait, maybe I have to take the S out of there. Try that. Ah! Okay, let's submit this. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? Oh, it's not very good score. Success. It is a success. So let's see if we can try and put this on one line. Let's just try it. Let's just try it, right? So we have to return. We have to return the len of s split s split, and then we need brackets, -1. Let's try it, and then we're going to delete these out. Let's see how fast this one is. Okay, submit it again, right? We can just submit it again. Let me get my drink. Oh! It's better. It's a little better. I mean, cool. Okay. That was a really short video. I don't know if I explained anything in that, but we're going to want to take our string, turn it into a list, and then return the count, the len of the last word. You probably could do this, obviously, a whole bunch of ways. You could do it recursively, which kind of would be a little bit not efficient. You could reverse the string and then just take off the first word. The spaces don't seem to matter in this, obviously, because it's in a list. It's not gonna matter. But yeah, there it is. We did it together. Anywho, thank you for joining me today. I hope you had a little bit of fun. And if you haven't already, go check out Free Code Camp's channel, the Intro to Algorithms course that I did, and let me know your feedback on it. I'm a little nervous to read the comments. I did not read any of the comments on there because I have rice paper skin. It's very easily poked. So I like my happy world of good things. Now, constructive criticism I will take all day long, as it's gentle. Anyway, have a wonderful rest of your day and stay tuned, and I will be bringing more videos, more regular uploads. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you had a little bit of fun, even though this problem was extremely easy. It's always fun to do code along videos, but if you have any suggestions or what you would like to see, feel free to comment below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.